Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Some by Me bundle of body cleanser and body cream. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and let's show you what it looks like. This package consists of two bottles. One is the Miracle Body Cleanser and the other one is the Repair Body Cream. The Miracle Body Cleanser is a great option for body acne and it contains AHA, BHA, and PHA, which is helpful for removal of dead skin cells, sebum, as well as skin waste. It also has a micro bubble technology that is effective to help with cleansing pore waste. And the body cream is a great addition to provide high moisture 100-hour hydration for strengthening weak skin barriers. It is specifically formulated to deeply moisturize and restore the balance of the skin. Plus, it is a great option to have on hand when there's discomfort or dryness associated with skin irritation. If you are looking to stock up on this bundle pack of the body cleanser and body cream from Some by Me, this is a great option to look at.